Mastering the TOEFL TWE. Dive deep into its format and strategies. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to take a comprehensive look at the Test of Written English, TWE, an essential component of the TOEFL PBT. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of the format, question types, and some handy strategies to ace it. The TWE, or Test of Written English, is an essay writing task that assesses your ability to write in English in an academic setting. It is essential for those who are taking the TOEFL PBT, paper-based test. Duration: the TWE lasts for 30 minutes. Task: you will be given a single essay topic on which you'll need to write an essay. The key here is not just the correctness of your English, but also your ability to organize, present ideas, and support an argument or opinion. The TWE generally presents you with a statement or a question. Your task is to either agree, disagree with the statement, or answer the question in a well-structured essay. Examples. 1. Do you agree or disagree with the following statement? Television has had a mostly positive impact on society. 2. Some people believe that universities should only admit students with the highest academic achievements. Others believe that universities should admit students with diverse backgrounds and experiences. Discuss both views and state your opinion. Your response should be focused, organized, and well supported with examples or reasons. To succeed in the TWE, consider these strategies. 1. Plan before writing. Spend the first few minutes brainstorming ideas. Outline your introduction, main points, supporting details, and conclusion. 2. Introduction is key. Start with a clear and engaging introduction. State your opinion or position on the topic right at the beginning. 3. Body paragraphs. Have at least 2 body paragraphs. Each paragraph should start with a main point, followed by supporting details or examples. 4. Conclude strongly. Sum up your ideas and restate your position. Remember, the conclusion should be brief but impactful. 5. Revise. If time allows, quickly review your essay. Check for grammar errors, unclear sentences, and ensure that your ideas flow smoothly. 6. Stay on topic. It's easy to digress, especially if you feel passionate about a point. Always double-check if each paragraph contributes to your main argument or answer. That's a wrap on the TOEFL TWE. Remember, practice makes perfect. Regularly write essays on varied topics, get feedback, and refine your skills. We hope this video has provided valuable insights, and we wish you all the best in your TOEFL journey. Happy studying!